What up? It's your girl Peach here. Alright, today I'm going to do a product review on the Mane Choice 24 karat gold line. Now, they have several different names for this product. I'm just going to kind of keep it short here. It is called the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote. And that basically is on all the products. But we're just going to call it the Ancient Egyptian because it's just a little lengthy.
Alright, so here's the close-up of the shampoo. The shampoo is the same color as most of the products in the product line. It's a goldish color, but I do feel like it shows the gold. And it is pretty slick. The next one is the deep conditioner. It's creamy, like a deep conditioner. It's kind of thick. So the next one after that is going to be the leave-in conditioner. It's pretty much the same as the deep conditioner, just a little bit looser. And last but definitely not least is going to be the gel. All right, you guys, this gel. I am loving the color of this gel. It's gold, really gold, with like gold flakes. And I would say that it's kind of a, not jelly-like consistent, kind of goopy.
Now, looking at the packaging on these products, I want to let you guys know I do appreciate a good packaging. Okay, I feel like this is just very pretty. I see here that it's purple, so that represents royalty, and gold, which represents royalty and expensive things. So I would say that that's a very good packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the shower. I'm gonna see how these products work out.
Okay, so you're gonna see me start off with some warm water. I like to start off with warm water on my hair because I like to pre-rinse all the products that's already on my hair. Water helps to break all that down. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just go in with my shampoo. Now I start from the middle and then I go towards the front of my head. The reason why I do this is I'm just trying to start off the distribution process because I do have a lot of hair that I have to get the shampoo on. So I'm concentrating on my scalp though as I'm doing this. And I just continue to apply shampoo where it is needed. In the beginning I'll start in the front, so naturally on the second part I'll start from the back. And then what'll happen is those two shampoos will meet, the front and the back. And then it'll be evenly distributed throughout my hair. Now, I like to massage my scalp while I'm washing my hair. I mean, I think it feels good, of course, but there's a method to the madness. I want to make sure that it is really cleansing the scalp as I go through it. All right, so I even go in with my shampoo brush. This, I like to agitate my scalp. I try not to do so many circles as it can tangle your hair, but I do just whatever is needed for that time, okay? So the main focus is just getting that scalp clean. So as you'll see, I go in some more with more shampoo. All right. And I feel like if you concentrate on your scalp and get that clean, a lot of the product can go down towards the ends, but I want to mention that I do put some on the ends. But my main focus is the scalp. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to rinse this product out. And I would say that, it rinses pretty easy. I don't feel like it was like stuck in my hair just so much. I think the setting is pretty minimum. It's not to the point to where I don't notice it, but it is enough. It's just enough. So I like that. And I feel like right now my hair is not getting dried out. So I definitely can go ahead and rinse it out and go in with my second wash. I typically do a second wash. So it's nice to know my hair didn't feel like dry like hay. That lets me go ahead and go in that second time. Now the second time, if you'll notice, this time I put some shampoo in my hands and I was able to pretty much distribute that product through my hair because of the fact that I went in that first time. Whenever I do it the second time, I can kind of get away with less shampoo. So I'm still concentrating on my scalp, just touching a little bit on my ends because when you rinse it again, it goes down the hair. So it does a really good the second go around though. All right, so From here, same thing, same process. You know, I go on with that brush. Make sure I agitate that scalp. I mean, you want a clean scalp. This is the main focus of shampooing your hair. If your scalp is not clean, then it could cause problems. So I'm going to rinse that out. And like I said, it does rinse pretty good. It's not like it's making way more, foaming just because I'm rinsing it out. It's actually rinsing pretty good. So I did like that about the product. Okay, so here you'll see me go in with the deep conditioner. I like to smell my products before I go in with them a lot of times. Let me know down below if you do the same thing. But yeah, it's pretty creamy. And yeah, I got some hair on my hand. So you gotta excuse me for these faces I make in the shower. But I'm applying this deep conditioner to my hair. I like to separate my hair when I do this because I feel like I can distribute the deep conditioner better if I go ahead and start to detangle my hair. I'm not detangling with a comb at this time. I'm just using my fingers. And you'll see I do put a little bit of deep conditioner around my head just because it helps with that detangling process. So now I'm starting to go in with that. Ooh, there's some tangles. But I'm going in with it. It seems to be doing okay. I mean, overall, it's alright. I mean, it doesn't have a whole bunch of slip on it, so that's why my hands got tangled in my hair, but it's okay. And you'll see me going in with it a little bit more now. So as you can tell, it's kind of thick, but not very thick. And I think when I say thick, I mean more of the weight of it. It's not weighing my hair down. So now I've kind of fast forwarded through this part, but now you see me combing it, and it has a lot more of the deep conditioner on it. It's combing pretty good. It's doing its job.
I went ahead and sat underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes or so.
So overall, I did feel like the shampoo, it did well. I feel like it cleaned the hair as well as the scalp. I also feel like it suds well, so it distributed pretty good. I also like the fact that I didn't have to use that much because of the fact that it distributed well. The deep conditioner, let's start off with the good stuff. I feel like my hair was soft. I feel like my hair was moisturized. I feel like I had a little bit of the slip factor. The only thing I didn't like was the weight. I felt like it didn't weigh enough. But here you'll see I didn't lose much hair. So it's still pretty good. If you guys are interested in seeing how the stylist worked out, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.